Others like Harith, Zubair and Gidak remained distant or indifferent, their hearts veiled from the truth. And then there was Hazrat Hamza, عليه السلام, the mighty warrior who embraced Islam with courage and gave his life at Uhud. The Prophet ﷺ called him Sayyid al-Shuhada, the chief of martyrs. Hazrat Abbas ibn Abdul Muttalib, عليه السلام, known for his loyalty and intelligence, quietly supported the Prophet in Makkah and later embraced Islam openly. At Hunain, his deep, powerful voice rallied the believers when others fled, a symbol of courage and faith. The Abbasid dynasty rulers were from his lineage. Among the Prophet's uncles, some shone with faith and loyalty, while others drowned in pride and denial, reminding us that blood ties alone don't define honor, but faith, truth, and sacrifice too.